Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by breaking karaoke into 4 parts. Ka, ra, o, ki. Say each piece slowly to feel mouth positions. This builds muscle memory. Once done, emphasize the second syllable, karaoke, because stress shifts meaning and sounds natural. Make sure to listen to a few native examples, then mimic rhythm and vowel length. Practice with short repetitions, increasing speed only when you keep clarity. This method trains both sound and timing, so your pronunciation becomes confident fast. Now focus on vowels and transitions. You should make the first an open ah sound, not I, because that preserves the original tone. Next, keep the o brief, no diphthong, so karaoke flows cleanly. Once done, connect syllables smoothly, don't pause between ra and o. Practice saying the full word at conversation speed, then at singing speed. Make sure to record yourself, compare, and adjust vowel length until the word sounds natural and consistent. To finish, embed karaoke into real use. Say it in a sentence and sing it in a line. Context locks pronunciation in. You should polish by alternating louder and softer deliveries to keep stress natural. If you hear it sounding flat, deliberately reset stress on the second syllable and try again. If listeners mishear you, slow down, enunciate each syllable, then return to normal tempo. One troubleshooting tip: when stuck, return to the syllable drill until.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.